A characteristic that if you want to be a really good celebrant, I think you need to be a very organized person, because you're not just organizing yourself and making sure you're prepared, but you're also, in a very nice way, organizing a young couple or an older couple. You're very gently organizing them as well, because they don't know the rules, they don't know the processes,
Mhm.
and you have to guide them through that. It's a first for them and hopefully a last as well. So, yeah, you have to be organized. It's a very important characteristic. Even if you're a people person, if you don't practice your organizational ability, you could have be on those L plates just a little bit longer. So I would really focus on systemizing and honing, polishing up your organizational abilities.